R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Find out what that means to me. Excuse me, excuse me. Keep your eyes up here. I'm gonna need you to keep your eyes on my face and stop looking at my haircut. Disrespectful. You are disrespectful. I said you are disrespectful. I wanna do this. This is what I want. I'm good. I'm good. Where's the relaxer? Where's the relaxer? Let's start! We are filming, we are filming. It's sticky, it's tacker. It's sticky, it's tacker. It's sticky, stacker, sticky, stacker. Hey, bing, bang, bing, bang. First of all, before I even start the video and telling you guys what I need you to know, I'm gonna need you to smash that thumbs up button. Smash the thumbs up button. Smash the thumbs up button if you're on Earth. Smash the thumbs up button if you like tater tots. I love tater tots. Smash the thumbs up button if you like peeled grapes. Something about a naked grape. It's very vulnerable and I connect to that. Thumbs up if you like ketchup. Thumbs up if you like Beyonce. She's great. She's amazing. Thumbs up if you have a cat. Thumbs up if you have a dog. Thumbs up if you're a dog person but you have a cat. I love that because you're confused and I'm confused too. I love that. There's something about confusion. I love that. Please, thumbs up if you like yam. Thumbs up if you like pounded yam. I love pounded yam. I like pounded yam. In fact, I love it. I would marry it. Thumbs up if you like okra stew. I enjoy that one. Thumbs up if you like Netflix. I like Netflix. I like Netflix a lot. Thumbs up if you prefer Hulu. I never thought I'd be making this video on my channel. I never thought I would be making this video on my channel, but today's the day. Here we are. I know what you're thinking. This is a natural hair channel, and yes, you have eyes. I was natural, but guys, it's time. I've decided after much consideration, much deliberation, it has nothing to do with aesthetic, it has nothing to do with the natural hair movement. I still love you guys. We're doing this now. This is what we're doing now. Now I know my name is Naturally JC. I'm gonna keep that name because there's something about being a Decepticon that I love. I hate it. You hate it. But I love it. You get to me. Are you getting me? Don't worry, it's 100% safe. It's no lie, because we're not telling lies. No big lying. Guys. Oh, I said I wasn't gonna do this. It's just hair. But there's something that feels so much deeper. And as you can see, I have a TWA, so I've been on this journey for a long time, and it took me about a year of this, and I know already, in just a year, that it's not for me. Oh wow. I don't know, maybe it's like something's in my eye, maybe. It's not me crying, it's definitely this. Let me just stop this video right here. I know I was crying, but let me just stop this and say, I know there are some of you that are thinking, I want to type something. You're thinking, I gotta type something. Your body is shaking you, and you say, I gotta type something about this girl going back to relaxer from natural. Let me tell you, what is wrong with you? Are you well? Are you well? What is wrong with you? Don't you dare. I know you have an opinion. I know I have a YouTube channel and you should be able to type your opinion, but I said, don't you dare use that useless term to be typing useless nothing. Useless rubbish. Are you madness will give your face what? Dirty slap. Madness will slap your teeth out of your mouth and onto the ground. Please, don't be careful. Because it's my hair. Now I'm making a YouTube video about what I'm doing with my hair and you think you can useless nothing is peppering your mouth. Useless nothing and talk is peppering your fingers and you want to type something. Please, before you do it, know that God is watching. Relax. Are you getting it? Relax. So when I have my hair straightened, you will see now. You will see I will push up to my real form. I will be up to my real heights. I will be gigantic. You're testing? I said you're doubting. Doubting Thomas. You'll be commenting. You'll be commenting saying you look like Beyonce and you look like Kim Kardashian. Kim Kanye Kardashian. West Kardashian. West Kardashian knows Beyonce. Beyonce Kardashian knows Beyonce. Kim. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's just us JC here. Okay, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to grow your hair 3 inches. 3 inches in a day. You getting me? You getting me? All natural is what we're doing. So what you need, salt. There's something about salt that I find really works. So you're just gonna need a bit of this. Put it on your scalp. I want you to massage it into your scalp. Dash. We're doing that mist. I don't know. Can you? I don't know if you guys. I don't know if you can. If you can see. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see. Put a bit of water in this. Put the dash in there. Massage it through your hair. Are you doubting me? Don't be a doubting Thomas. Please. Cayenne pepper. You're gonna need cayenne pepper. Put this thing in your hair. It's growing like a weed. Sometimes it get to burning a little bit. It just a burning a little, but you keep it in your hair and you're gonna be doing wonders. Your hair is gonna be long and strong. For all my Nigerians out there, for all my Africans and Caribbeans, you know what this is. You know what it is. Even back at it again. Back at it. Can you? I don't know if you can. I don't know if you can. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can. Is that? Put it in stew. Put it in stew. Put it in the stew and put that stew in your hair. Put this in the stew and put that in your hair because that makes sense to you. Because that makes sense to you. Go for you. Go for you. A+. You are here in the hair. Hair plus. E for excellent. E for elegante expressiento higiene. Because you're a big girl like you. Put mic in your hair. Because I'm telling you, you'll grow your hair in 3 inches, Abby. You want 3 inches in one night and that makes sense to you. That makes sense to you. Good. You're gonna need egg. This is what you do with the egg. Don't put it on your hair. I know I'm saying this is a hair thing. Don't put this on your hair. Listen to me. You want to eat it. You want to heat the egg. Heat the egg. He will grow your hair. Vitamins. Any company that contacts you, he'd be taking their vitamins. I don't care if it's a gummy bear. I don't care if the vitamins comes in something that looks like an apple. I don't care if the vitamin comes in something that looks like a teddy bear. I don't care if it looks like a gummy worm. I don't care if it's even a sneaker. Just eat a sneaker. You're not you when you're hungry. You're not you when you're hungry. This thing here, I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you have eyes. I don't know if you can see. Vitamin curry. There's vitamins, there's biotin, it's enriched with biotin. So if you're making curry goat, you put this in there. You're making curry oxtail. I don't know if that's a thing, but you put that in. You're making curry stew. Anytime you use curry on your food, you're growing your hair. I'm gonna have a link down in the description box. Please click that link. It's not sponsored. I said it's not sponsored. It's not. What I said is not sponsored. Please. But I do have a coupon code. Please use my coupon code. Another thing you can use to grow your hair 3 inches in a night. You're gonna need Jesus. We're gonna need Jesus Christ because through him all things are possible. Even things that are seemingly impossible, they're somehow made possible. I like fasting and praying. I told you guys that this year we're doing big things. We're doing big things. Man's doing big things and man's doing big things and You get me, bruv? You get me, bruv? Anyway, fam. So, what I'm saying is, yeah, I've been on this channel doing natural hair, yeah? I'm showing you guys how to grow my hair, your hair. I'm showing you guys how I grow my hair. And I'm telling you guys all the things you need to do, yeah? Well, guess what? I got a little something for you. I come up with something called the hair bank. I've come up with something called the hair bank. Why? Because you're gonna be growing your hair and you're gonna be running all the way to the bank to get my money, ho. Don't mind the this is not sponsored. I just it's kind of like it's a test run, so we're just anyway. Yeah, just disregard that. So this is what I like to call the hair bank hair kit. This is all handmade. Hand grown, in fact. I'm curated selected specifically by me. So all these things are things that I love. All these things are things that you've seen on my channel. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. I just want to show you. I just am so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, great. Boom, 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 boom. Iodized tomato puree. Now this stuff is amazing. You guys know I love iodized tomato puree, and all you need is iodized, whatever that is, and a tomato and a pureer. It's a noun for a thing that purees. Iodized is also a noun for iodine. This is catonic tomato puree. There's a bit of a difference. There's something in the you know, because this catonic, it's like it's a cathode. We need catonic in order to balance out the iodized. You know what I'm saying? It's just the pH balance could be a bit off. I don't know if you can see. I know this looks like a carrot, and that's because it is. So we have potato. You potato, Mr. Potato Head. Mr. Potato Head. Potato. Please, doubting what? Thomas. You are doubting Thomas. Please, stop doubting me, Thomas. You're looking at me funny, but look at my hair. Look at my hair. The proof is in the what? Pudding. The proof is in the hair pudding. Hair pudding, pudding, pudding. I love plantain. One, I think it's a great source of starch. It's $400 American. $400 American. Please. Please, be swiping your cards, be swiping your Visa. Amex, I take American Express, please. We are gathered here today because I can sense something. Hey, God, I can sense a demon. A demonic spirit is here. Oh, it is here. We are fighting. I am a spiritual warrior, God. I can sense a demon. I can sense somebody that is a wolf putting on sheep's clothing. A wolf that is wearing sheep's what? Clothing. I can see you. I can't sense you. Please, somebody is about to press the thumbs down button. I can feel it in my spirit. Please help that person to know sense. Oh, please help that person to understand. Please. They said if your right hand is offending you, what do? You cut it off. God, this thumb is offending me. Please break the person's thumb. I don't want them to have a thumb again. I want them to have hands like a kangaroo. I don't want them to ever use their thumbs again. I told everybody on this YouTube channel that you are 3C, okay? We're 3C, but right now you're acting a bit like 4C, alright? We're 3C, but something about this product isn't working for my God. Okay, well, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to film this again. I'm definitely gonna have to yeah, we're gonna, yeah, I've never asked you for anything like this before. I really want my hair and the hair of my follower, anyone that's under the sound of my voice, please let their hair grow 3 inches in one night. Please, I want to go to sleep looking like a bald eagle. I want to wake up looking like Tara Banks. I want to wake up looking like Naomi Campbell. Hey guys, so welcome back. That is indeed my baby crying in the background. Can somebody shut her up, please? Thank you. Yes, Chelsea, please be quiet, please. Yeah, that's my baby yeah, welcome back. Welcome back to my. Okay, so we're okay, Chelsea. Really? I get you're hungry. I get it. We all get it. The whole neighborhood gets it. Okay, mommy is trying to grow her hair. God. Please, God, I know this is not related to my YouTube channel, but I am hungry. I am very hungry. There is no food in the fridge. My brother has eaten everything. Oh, he has a long stomach. He has a long throat. He has eaten it all. Please, God, make food appear in Jesus' mighty name. Put jollof rice. Hey, God, put beans. Hey, God, put stew. Here, bring it down. Put plantain. In fact, I want fried plantain and pounded plantain. Hey, get that shot. I want some okra stew. I want my belly to be full. I want to eat belly food. Please, even coconut rice if you have time. Please, God, please. This is something that has to stop in 2019. I'm tired. Ika I am tired. Please, can somebody tell Timothy Justin Hegbacha, Echukwan Chukwu Ameka in the back. Please tell these kind young gentlemen, these fellows, stop using hashtag secure the bag. Secure Guinea. Secure Guinea. What bag are you securing? Are you normal?
Are you normal?
Are you not? Is it loading? You hear what I'm saying? You hear what I'm saying to you? You're listening to me. I think you're listening. I think you're listening. Can you hear me? Alia, can you hear me? I hope so. Because I'm yelling. I'm yelling. I'm really yelling. Please. You have a picture with your mother. It's you and your mother. Shining teeth. And you put hashtag security bag. Please. Make it make sense. Meanwhile, you're lying. You're bumping your gums. You're typing your fingers. You're lying. You're a liar. You're a big, in fact, an ugly liar. An ugly one at that. You're lying. Securing the bag. Meanwhile, the only bag you're securing is in Target. In fact, Walmart. You're securing bag. Hey, bread. Cheese. Beans. In the bag. Egg. Cheese. Beans. This kind of food you're preparing. Please, somebody pray for whoever will be eating this food. I think you gave the bag. You didn't secure the bag. You gave the bag to Gucci. Come on now. Listen to me. Listen to me. You did not secure the bag. You gave it to Gucci. You gave it to Delta. Catching flies, no feelings. Peace out. Peace sign. Hey. So this bag is secure. Abby, I'm asking for a friend. Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just want to give a quick little plug or whatever, you know what I'm saying, because you're watching this video and you keep keying with me. But I'm on Instagram now, and I really need some followers and people to interact with on there, because girl, it's dead. It's actually dead. So I'm gonna have my Instagram linked below. I'm also gonna have it on the screen right now. Please follow me on Instagram. Please DM me, message me, because I answer way quicker on there than I do on here. Any questions that you have about how I got my hair from this. This is not my hair, clearly this is a wig, but how I got my hair like this. And there are many pictures like this, or will be coming on my Instagram, because I'm getting so happy taking pictures and stuff like that. And I'm trying to represent out here. I'm trying to represent for the 4C or the 4B or whatever, and for the Brooklyn girls. You feel me? Like, we from Brooklyn or whatever. We natural or whatever. So make it make sense. You feel me? You feel me? So please follow me on Instagram, please, because it's dead up. It's dead up, and we need some life in there, please. Oh, if you come to Instagram, please comment. I love doing this on my latest picture, and a cactus emoji. That's my favorite emoji, if you don't know. A cactus emoji, so that I know that you came from this video, because I want to see how much people come. I know there's things that I missed, things that natural people do, things that, I don't know, any fitness gurus, fashion, whatever you're into, relationship experts. Check out my video on relationship experts. Instead of you to be watching relationship videos, you're watching hair videos on YouTube, and you're not ashamed. You put on glasses, and you put your hair in a hubdo, and you're a relationship guru. We had some fun. We had some fun over there. Okay. More videos coming, more hair content coming. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.